Hello everyone, welcome to Omain Tarot. Today I am going to do 3-card reading and here it goes. Let's see which cards have drawn. The Magician, wow. Ace of Cups, and the third card is Page of Pentacles. Now let's see the description. Okay. Magician, it reminds us that we are always manifesting. We always have what we need to create, to manifest or to make things happen. Magician have full confidence. He is so much aware of himself. He is so much aware that whatever work he is put into, he will make best out of that work. He will give 100% and he will come out with flying colors. All you need to do is have full faith and full confidence in yourself. Okay, the second card is Ace of Cups. It is showing an overflowing cup. This tells us that when it comes in relation with our emotions and how we feel, that we have lot to offer. It is cup which is very empty. It would be a sign that we need to refill our cup, that we give continuously and we are not receiving anything in return. To keep giving and not receiving can actually leave you drained, and sometimes it will make you feel sick and tired. But in this case, the cup is showing us that we have lot to give, we have lot to offer, a lot of love to offer to this world. But I think there should be a limit of giving. So be careful. The last card is Page of Pentacles. It is showing us that he is standing ready to do something, to offer something, to plant something. He wears the colors green and the scarf is red, the turban is red. He moves with a passion and instinct to offer nothing but what he loves. He is a page, so he brings lot of business opportunities, lot of messages. He is a messenger, and he is a page, so that he brings with him lot of news and lot of innocence. Check out some of your friends. Those who are younger to you might bring you business opportunities or some sort of new job openings for you, some sort of good business alliances. So have a tap on that. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for other readings. Thank you so much.